Right guys, welcome to the video. A lot of you are still having problems with this game, so what I want you to do before we start the fixes is leave a comment with a fix that has helped you, even if I mention it in this video, and if you use a fix that's in the comments, give the comment a like so it bumps it to the top and other people can see. It's been nearly 2 weeks since the autumn update come out for Rocket League, and I'm still having daily comments on my fix video regarding the Season 4 trails, saying some of you can't play matches because it still crashes, some of you can't connect to any of the servers, and some of you can't even launch the game. I've gone back to the forums once again, and all I'm seeing is Xbox One crashing after the update, randomly banned when loading the game for the first time in 2 days, FPS drop, ping increase, and I'm even seeing people complain about receiving a whisper on Twitch saying they've been awarded an RLCS item, but they haven't actually been given an item. That one happened to me, and after a couple of game restarts the item randomly appeared in my inventory without the pop-up. And a lot of you are saying you're receiving error code 67. Almost anywhere you go now Rocket League related, whether it's the forums, YouTube or other places, there is complaints that the game isn't working properly, and people are even saying Psyonix should sell the game to a company that would work better with it. Quickly before we get into the tips, none of these are guaranteed to work. I don't work for Psyonix or anything like that. I'm just a gamer doing some research and trying to help out the community. If they don't work, I'm always here to try and help further, although I can't always help. And if they do work, then I'm glad I could help, and I hope you have fun playing the game. Anyway, on to the tips. PC players, you can verify the integrity of your game files. You can try forwarding the correct ports. You can try updating your graphics card drivers. You can try running Steam or Rocket League as an admin. You can set custom launch options to try running the game in windowed, borderless or full screen, because a certain display mode might be causing a black screen or another kind of bug. And there's a couple more, but there's links in the description which will explain how to do all the stuff I've just mentioned. And if nothing works, there could be a comment on this video with a fix that does work for you. PS4 players, I have searched and searched, and there is not many of you at all complaining about the game crashing anywhere, and I've never had a PS4 before, so I have no idea how to fix anything on one. So if you're on PS4 and you're having the problems, all I can recommend is you check the comments. And Xbox One players, I've done so many fix videos for this platform before because it's just bug after bug with anything related to the Xbox One. I'm not against the platform at all because I've had one myself since launch, but they are so broken. All of the tips I'm about to mention will not remove items or anything like that, so don't panic. And a lot of the fixes are from my older videos, as they're the methods Xbox support use, and the methods that have been most successful for me, and for a lot of other people too. The very first thing you're going to want to try is hard resetting your console. Hold your finger on the power button until it turns itself off, and then turn it on again after about 5 seconds. If you've done this properly, you'll see a green Xbox screen before your console boots again. Next up is deleting your saved data. Go to your games and apps, press start on Rocket League and press manage game. Find the saved data related to your gamer tag and press start. Delete it from your console only, and the cloud will save all your items, so the console will just sync the data when you try launching the game again. Do not, and I mean do not, delete it from everywhere, as that will remove everything from the cloud and everywhere else, and you'll lose everything on your account. Another thing is you can try signing out and then back into your account, as that has fixed problems for a lot of people on other games. Clearing your persistent storage and MAC address. What you want to do for this one is go to your settings, then go to disc and Blu-ray settings, click on persistent storage and clear it. Then go to settings again, and go to your network settings this time, then go to advanced settings, alternate MAC address but don't alternate it, clear it and restart your console. The last tip is to reinstall the game. I've said this in older videos, and I completely understand with a game like Battlefield or FIFA, they're massive game files, so they could take forever to reinstall, but Rocket League isn't that big of a file, and if this fixes your game, then I'm pretty sure it's worth taking the risk of having to find something else to do for 20 minutes. And that is going to be the end of this video. I really do hope the tips I've mentioned helped you. I'm sorry PS4 players and those of you that it didn't work for, but there's nothing else I can do. What I hope for is for Psyonix to just hurry up and fix their game so that people can actually enjoy what they've paid for. Remember, there is links in the description for PC players to explain how to do the fixes that I spoke about, and there's also other videos on my channel with troubleshooting methods, mainly for Xbox, but worth a shot on any platform. If you have a fix of your own, even if I mentioned it in this video, remember to leave it in the comments. And if a comment fix helps with your game, then give it a like so it gets bumped at the top. I will also be posting this video on the Rocket League forums and submitting a ticket to the support team explaining how it's still far from working, to try and raise more awareness of the problems and get them to pull their fingers out. Again, I hope the video helped you. Thank you for watching.